The opening of the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season immediately had a significant impact on residents along the Texas coast. Tropical Storm Arthur triggered life-threatening flooding and destructive winds along the Gulf Coast on June 17, 2026. Tropical Storm Arthur formed in the Gulf of Mexico, the first named storm of the 2026 Atlantic season.
Waves are blowing. It's a little bit windy. So first of all, you want to get into an office building that's...
Tropical Storm Arthur dumped extreme rainfall and triggered flash flooding in several areas. Tropical storm warnings and watches were issued as Tropical Storm Arthur brought destructive winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surge to parts of Texas and Louisiana on Wednesday. Coastal areas such as Galveston, High Island, Bolivar, and Crystal Beach experienced high surf and strong winds.
Little Caesars, Buddy's, Walgreens, Chinamax, the old Kroger parking lot is flooded out here in blue.
Just wires touching?
I don't know.
Of all the affected areas, Brazoria County was one of the worst hit by road infrastructure damage. Heavy rains that began Wednesday, June 17, 2026, overwhelmed coastal drainage systems. According to local weather monitoring data, areas such as Clute, Lake Jackson, Surfside Beach, and Freeport recorded more than 8 inches of rain in less than 12 hours. As a result, street flooding immediately paralyzed residents on Thursday morning. Several vehicles were reportedly stranded in rapidly rising waters. In Freeport, drainage ditches and bayou areas were filled with water, overflowing into low-lying residential areas. Tropical Storm Arthur currently has maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour and is expected to produce storm surges of 2 to 4 feet from Port Bolivar, Texas to Morgan City, Louisiana, with a possible storm surge of up to 3 feet in Galveston Bay. The National Hurricane Center has extended its tropical storm warning westward to High Island, Texas, meaning the warning is now in effect from High Island to Morgan City, Louisiana, while the tropical storm watch extends further south from Sargent to High Island.
Crazy out here.
A level 3 out of 4 flood warning remains in effect through Thursday morning, with the potential for widespread flooding and localized disasters in several cities, including Baton Rouge, New Orleans, and Morgan City. The National Hurricane Center predicts total rainfall of 5 to 10 inches, with isolated amounts approaching 20 inches through Friday morning from the central and upper Texas coastline across much of Louisiana and parts of central and southern Mississippi and Alabama.
Estamos desde la isla de Galveston dándoles toda la información sobre este tiempo severo. Les puedo decir que
Earlier this week, Texas Governor Greg Abbott issued a disaster declaration for 101 counties, urging residents to take precautions and avoid driving on flooded roads as severe weather continues to batter the state.
That shit full of look, fucking news people out and everything. Look at this bitch.
Brazoria County Emergency Management is currently coordinating with the American Red Cross to establish emergency shelters, one of which is located in the Angleton area. These shelters are being prepared to accommodate residents whose homes are flooded or who are isolated by road closures.
fuerte el viento, por eso es.
Although floodwaters on some major roads are reportedly receding as Hurricane Arthur moves forward, authorities are urging the public to remain vigilant. The process of receding water in the riverbank area is estimated to take several days because the volume of water sent from the upstream area of Texas continues to flow downstream.
I'm just doing this for like a video warning. And there's more rain coming, so if you don't have to be out on it, don't be in it. I'm gonna shut up now. Bye.
Greetings, mainland people. I'm leaning up my back up against the truck so it can get blown away. Tropical system of the Gulf.